Hey guys, I'm over at Leith Dodge in Wendell. I just noticed this car is really red, but on my phone it looks almost orange, but this thing is tour red. I want to show you guys this because I think this is a really good deal. This is a 6.4 Scat Pack. It's a 2018. 2018. He took the badge off the front, but it's an RT. Scat Pack. 37. What they're asking. It's only got 9,000 miles on it. I'm going to show the VIN. You want to show the VIN? Yeah, there's the VIN if you want to do it. Might have to pause the video if you want to see this. But it's a stick, man. And he's got the tinted windows already. So this is like my 5.7 RT that I had, but I had the leather seats. But this has got the Alcantara. So this is a pretty nice shape, man. It's got the nice rims on it. I don't work here. I'm not getting any kind of feedback. But he did mention that if you mention Sky One, you'll get 4 free oil changes. 4 free oil changes. I like this one too. This is the classic, right? This one is automatic, but it's got the... Both of them had a sunroof. Both had a sunroof. This one's sharp too. This is also 2018. This is a 5.7, so you get better gas mileage on it. I had a 5.7. I think this 5.7 sound really good. Put some Flowmasters on there. This thing's only got 1,800 miles on it. Whoa. Oh, I didn't know it was that low. I didn't even look at the miles before. Alcantara, automatic. Geez, I would have bought this one. Saved a lot of money on my car. And then here's another Scat Pack, 2018. I don't know where they had these things because the longest time I came by here looking for them, and they didn't have any. So, and that white one's 33, man. So that means they got factory warranty left over. Now let's get the red interior. It's the red interior. I don't know if I like the red interior, and it's redder than it looks here on this camera. It looks orange on my camera, but it's actually more of a maroon. But I'm not a fan of the red on a blue, but some people like it. It's pretty nice. So let's get that classic style room. But anyway, yeah, I'm over at Leith, Wendell, North Carolina. Leith and Wendell, North Carolina. I'm getting the shocks on my trunk checked out. I've got that big spoiler on the back, and when it's cold, it doesn't stay up. It does if I hold it. It's kind of weak, that's all, so I'm gonna have it changed out. This one's got the red Brumbos. That one has the red Brumbos too. So this red one is a deal, man. I would come here. I would have bought this thing for sure. Talk it down on that price. Really good deal. All right, later.